Martin from Bakers, back at the Iverheath project that we completed at Christmas. Thought I'd show you around now. Everything's complete. Customers dressed the building. It's in full use. This really does show our complete package option. So everything I'm going to show you we installed. Started here with this bronze canopy that links the door of the house, main house here, to the door there of the main room. We've installed the posts and everything like that just to give a waterproof cover. Got a storage section here. The building's actually broken into 4 sections. That storage section just used for as a normal shed. And up the top there, we've run all the electrics in at that point. All the plumbing and everything was around there. Your stopcocks and things like that. So in from the house, if I pan around, you can see this trench here. In from that point of the house there, we've brought in water, we've brought in the power, and then we've also drained out to this point here. Into the main area here, the corridor here. This is the utility room. You can see there, if I just come back a little bit, we've got tumble dryer, fridge, and then a washing machine. Again, all plumbed in, with the tumble dryer being on the outside wall, so we can even vent it there. You see that little foldable vent there. Then as we come through, the store, which is behind this wall here, isn't as long as this room, and that's because here, if I just open this, we installed a fully functioning toilet, heater, toilet, basin there, lovely little tidy basin that comes in that standard set with the cupboard below. So yeah, that's all plumbed in, runs out through the store and then into that drainage area, meets up with the electrics and the plumbing that's required for the washing machines, etc. that's here. Switch that light off, and now nice LED downlight and expel air in there as well. Into the main room. There we go here. So that's a 14 by 7, quite a narrow building relatively to make it work with the old concrete garage that used to be here. This is on an old concrete garage base. If you look up there, we've got speakers in all 4 corners, all wired in with the electric wiring, so nothing is seen. TV on the wall, and we brought in, along with all the electrics, everything, the communications. So down there, you can just see the socket there. That's got the telephone, internet. We brought in the TV cable in, so this TV is fully up and running for every eventuality. Also, you can link the Xboxes and PlayStations with that because you've got the telephone connectivity. And then we've got this lovely sliding door set here, blinds all around that the customer fitted, look really nice. And if I open this up and take you outside, so this then becomes an opening into the garden itself. If I pop out and pan around, I give you some idea of the whole thing. So LED downlights sitting along the top there. They also linked with LED decking lights, which you can just show there, which I've just got on there. So they run all the way along, and that meets with an old deck that the customer used to have with some balustrade that we cut off to give another access from the house there. So yeah, the entire building is about I think 8 meters long. You can see there the window which is into that utility area. Then the side window here into the garden room. The back of the building is really close to the boundary, but that's not an issue because we've used a firewall there. It's just a zero maintenance wall. We've got guttering fitted. And then they fitted this store. We even fitted the guttering pipe out the way for that store to just tuck in there. So complete package by Bakers. We've done there some base work, the building install, the electrics, the plumbing, the communications, and fully complete for the customer to use for this Christmas. If these garden rooms or any other building interests you, feel free to give us a call on 01444 247 192. Thank you.